Bulletin Tropical Storm Hilary Intermediate Advisory. The United States National Hurricane Center, Miami, Florida at 11 o'clock a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Sunday, August 20th, 2023. Hilary makes landfall over the northern Baja California peninsula, causing catastrophic and life-threatening flooding over the region. Hilary's current location is 29.9 N 115.6 W, about 215 miles or 340 kilometers south-southeast of San Diego, California. Maximum sustained winds are 65 miles per hour. Summary of watches and warnings in effect. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Baja California Peninsula west coast from Porras San Andresito northward, Baja California Peninsula east coast from Loreto northward, mainland Mexico north of Guaymas, California/Mexico border to Point Mugu, Catalina Island. A tropical storm warning means that tropical storm conditions are expected somewhere within the warning zone. The storm is expected to remain at tropical storm strength as it reaches Southern California late Sunday. Residents in Southern California and Southern Nevada should make final preparations for flooding as the historic storm approaches.